If you're facing verification issues on TikTok after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to failed verification attempts. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Update the TikTok app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An outdated app can cause functionality issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve various issues. Go to your device settings, find the TikTok app, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app and try the verification process again. Step 4. Review your account information. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. Use the in-app support feature or visit the TikTok website to submit a support ticket detailing your problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues on TikTok. If problems persist, keep in touch with TikTok support for further guidance.